We originally started decades ago as a original business pioneering drip irrigation systems. However, today we've evolved into the largest irrigation company in the world. In some markets, we service our customers via our direct sales force, but our worldwide success depends largely on our dealer network. To grow both of these sales channels, we not only invest in digital products, but we also devote time, energy, and resources into digital sales solutions. We use these solutions for our own sales force to gain speed and agility when interacting with our clients, as well as providing an easy-to-use platform for our dealers to engage with us and with their customers. Our focus is to improve customer experience and give an integral solution across all our go-to-market channels. Through our digital strategy, we are gaining even more momentum in growth markets like China and South America. We use our sales solutions to expand our dealer network and market access. For instance, we use tools to automate and simplify the design of irrigation systems and generate design-based quotes for our customers. We are also benefiting by increasing market share and share of wallet in established regions like the US and Europe. My personal, as well as my organization's mission, is to make sure that our partners and our own sales force have a hassle-free, integral experience across all engagement channels to serve farmers around the world.